In this video, we are going to be learning how to forward AOL mail to Gmail. If you are tired of juggling multiple email accounts and you would like to consolidate your inbox and simplify your life by forwarding your AOL emails to your Gmail account, then here is how you can easily do it. Go ahead and open your AOL mail application from your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and get to the official website for AOL mail. After you are signed into the account, go to the inbox option appearing at the bottom left, and once you're inside your inbox, look for a specific email you would like to forward to Gmail. Here I'm gonna open up this one and only email I've got. Once you do that, click on the email you would like to forward from the list and then tap on the More button at the bottom right. Now, look for the forward option in the pop-up and tap on it. Inside the to text box, type in your Gmail address. After you are done, you can now add an optional message in the body if you wish. If you don't, you can skip this step. After you are done typing in the Gmail address and composing the optional message, tap on Send at the top right-hand corner, and you will then be able to forward a message to Gmail. All you need to do is to enter a Gmail address inside the to text box, and you will be able to do it right away. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.